Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate clip showing you how to do an Arm Jive Swizzle Sabotage. So if you don't know an Arm Jive Swizzle, head off, check out the core intermediate clip of the Arm Jive Swizzle, learn that and then come back. What it looks like is this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the interesting thing about that is I started with the Arm Jive Swizzle. As we were coming around and I was about to send Karen into the second half, she took over, sabotaged what I was doing and sent me into the swizzle instead. When we were coming back she could have carried on, but I actually cut back in and sent her back into the first side of the swizzle before finishing with a return. So let's break that down. It goes back. We go Arm Jive. Up the shoulder, right goes down, left goes around to turn the lady. Drop the hand out to the side, guys, head out to the side. There's your swizzle number 1. As we head back to the middle, we take the left over the lady. Now naturally at this point I'm lowering the left, raising the right, and what happens is at this point the lady becomes strong, so she takes over the lead, keeps that left low, guy's left, she's holding it in her right, and then pushes forwards with her left, so the guy turns to his right, all the way round, heads out to the side, so we have the swizzle position but now with the guy in it, and then we start to come back to the middle. The right goes over the guy, the ladies are dropping their left, raising their right. At that point the guys are going strong again to take over. We push with the left, keep our right hand low to wrap the lady into the swizzle, and then it's just finish off with a return, letting go with the right, and we're done. Okay, let's do that to numbers from the other side. We go back 1, pulling left 2, pulling right 3, to the shoulder 4, we turn 5 into the swizzle 6. We now return the lady 7, and as we're changing the hands the ladies take over. The guy goes round 8 and we look 1, and then it's back over the guy, round 2, guys take over, ladies go round 3, posing 4, returning 5 and back 6. So let's do it to a count. Here we go, nice and slow. 5, a 6, an Arm Jive Swizzle Sabotage. We go offer, left, right, shoulder, lady goes round and look, coming back, guy goes round and look, coming back, lady goes round and look, return, and you're done. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, do like the video, and if you subscribe and hit the bell, you'll know every time a new video comes out. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.